saying matrix A equals 1, 4, then there is 5 here, and then there is 3 here, like this. Then they are saying we should find A inverse using what? Using row reduction. Using row reduction. So using row reduction, how can we find the inverse? So we'll say A inverse equals, then we'll say 1, 4, this side I'll say 5, the way it is 3. I'll cross a line, and then I'll write the identity of the matrix, so which is 1, 0, 0, 1. So the secret is to make this side to be identity. So how are you going to do it? So we'll say, using row reduction, I'll say row 2, which is there, then I'll say minus 4, then I'll say row 1. We are operating on row 2 since because of space, so sinalembe operation penichaira operate sininalembe. So here I'll say, I'll open, I'll have 1 on top 5. What is changing is row 2, 1, 0. I'll close like this. Then from there I'll subtract. So here when I say 4 minus 4 then plus times 1 ili yapaningana na 0. If I place a 3, then minus 4 times 5, so that is 3 minus 20. I'll get what? Negative 17 here. So then up. If I place a 0, minus 4 times 1 there, I'll get negative 4. Then this side, I will say 1 minus 4 times this, so I'll get a 1 way. I'll continue with my row operation. Then I need to make this guy 1. So I need to reduce this one as 1 so that I have an identity. So I'll say, here I'll say row 2 operating on, then also negative 1 over 17 multiplied by row 2. So that when I multiply throughout with negative 1 over 17, I'm getting 1 batch. Pali negative 17. So 1, 5, 1, and 0 here. So apanzankana na 0, apanzankana na 1, apanzankana na 1 over, nazankana na 4 over 17. Apanzankana na negative 1 over 17. Like that. Ni dealing na naili pa top. Sorry. So I'll write the row operation again. So I'll say row 1 operating on row 1 minus 5 row 2. So direct hapo nizangana na 1 hapa ndipo ngana na 0. Then if I place now, I'll do it pambali. So if I place a 1 there minus 5, then times 4 over 17. However, 1 minus, that is 20 over 17, like this. And then I'll say over 1. Common denominator 17. Then I'll have 17 minus 20. So exactly I'll have what? I'll have negative 3 over 17. So I'll write a straight line, I'll write a number here. So I'll be what? A negative 3 over 17. Then you could last uku. I'm having a what? Here uku could last this side. I'll say if I place a 0 then times times that of positive 5 over 17, like this. Then down it will be the way it is, 0, 1, 4 over 17, or negative 1 over 17. So under row reduction, I'll say our inverse for A under row reduction is this other part. I'll say negative 3 over 17, 4 over 17, 5 over 17, and negative 1 over 17.